What if AI won't replace people but companies? Will AI replace us because it can do office work better than humans? And my answer stays the same. The first to be replaced will be the ones who don't use AI. And I'm convinced. Now, push it one step further. What if this applied to companies too? The first companies to be replaced will be the ones that don't adopt AI, replaced by firms that deliver the same service faster, cheaper, with AI at the center, at the core. Past industrial revolution weren't just about machines replacing jobs, they were about productivity, more output with less input. AI follows the same path with one key difference. It operates on languages, and language is the raw material of the entire industries. When companies adopt AI to stay competitive, they expose their industry's grammar to the system. Every prompt, every revised document, every client response become training data about how that business thinks, writes, argues, and manages risks. At scale, AI doesn't learn one company. It learns the pattern of the whole ecosystem. They can reproduce them in an optimized way. Think law, consulting, finance. AI absorbs contract structures, due diligence patterns, standard answers. Over time, it can deliver parts of those services directly to the end client without the full organization lawyer in the middle. The risk isn't only the employee, it's the company as in the middle. AI still needs competent human supervision. It's probabilistic, as we know. It can be wrong in the subtle ways. The advantage isn't using AI. The advantage is knowing AI limits, knowing its limits, controlling its output, deciding what to delegate and what must stay under human responsibility. That's why I keep saying, first go the people who don't use AI, then the companies that don't use AI.